Hi fellow crocheters, it's Janet with CrochetPatternsForBeginners.com. Thanks for stopping by today. We are going to learn how to do the extended half double crochet today. What we're doing is just taking our half double crochet stitch and adding one little step to it, and that little step is just going to make it just a little bit taller. Today I'm using a K hook or a 6.5 millimeter, and I am using worsted weight number 4 yarn. All right, let's get started. Let's go ahead and let's chain 9. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, now we're going to begin in the second chain from the hook. We've already talked about that when chaining and doing a single crochet, so if you need to review, go ahead and go back to those videos. But we're just going to start as if we would with a half double where we yarn over and then we insert the hook. Okay, then we yarn over and we pull through the stitch. Now right here what we would normally do is yarn over again and then pull through all 3, but we're not going to do that. We are going to yarn over, but we're just going to go through 1 loop. So we still have 3, so now we're going to go through all 3. Okay, let's take that again. So basically what you're doing is you're adding a chain stitch if you saw that, but we're going to do it several more times so that everyone gets it. Okay, yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through. Now you've got your 3 like you normally would. Yarn over, don't pull through all 3, just pull through 1. Then yarn over again and pull through all 3. All right, yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 1 loop, yarn over, and pull through all 3. All right, I'm going to do it a couple more times so that everybody gets it. Yarn over, insert your hook, the next chain, yarn over again, pull through that chain, yarn over, pull through 1 loop, got 3 left, yarn over, pull through all 3. It's a nice little stitch, and while it's not as tall as the double crochet, it also doesn't leave as much of a space, which I rather like. And I do have a brand new pattern that's out this week that is that uses this stitch, and I'll put the link to that below. But let's go ahead, let's finish this up. Yarn over, insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through, I'm sorry, not yarn over, but pull through, yarn over then, and pull through all 3. 2 more times. Yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through the stitch, yarn over, pull through 1 loop, yarn over, pull through all 3. Our last one, guys, we're doing it. Okay, yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over and pull through, yarn over again, only 1 loop, you pull through, and then you yarn over and you pull through all 3. I would suggest chaining 2 or 3, whatever you're more comfortable in. I don't like such a big space, so I'm going to chain 2 with this stitch at the end to turn. All right, and then we're going to turn and do 1 stitch and then we're done. Yarn over, insert your hook in the stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, oops, oh see I did that wrong, sorry guys, yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 1 loop, and yarn over and pull through all 3. Okay, and that is how you do the half double extended crochet. Thanks again for stopping by, and if you want some easy patterns, don't forget about our website, which is CrochetPatternsForBeginners.com, and we also have KnittingPatternsForBeginners.com. Happy crocheting!